In the winter of 1974, a young Harvard student named Bill Gates sees the Altair, world's first personal computer, on the cover of Popular Electronics. Gates spends next 8 weeks working on a version of the basic programming language for Altair with help of his two friends. This story is an indicator of Gates' ability to work deeply. He worked with so much depth and intensity that he would often sleep on his keyboard in middle of writing a code. Hey guys, I'll share with you 3 key ideas from the book Deep Work, written by Cal Newport, who has also written the book So Good They Can't Ignore You. I believe that we are all having some idea what the term deep work means. Still, before we begin, it's important to understand what the author of this book means by deep work. It states that professional activities performed in state of distraction-free environment are referred as deep work. On the other hand, the term shallow work is used to represent non-cognitively demanding, logistical style tasks often performed while distracted. Deep work is something that leads to creation of value in the world, but at the same time it is rare. Shallow work, on the other hand, do not create much value and are of clerical nature. Now, let's begin with the key ideas related to how we can create value via deep work. First key idea is work deeply, for it is the only way of creating significant value. Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, was known to take weeks of holidays which he called think weeks, whereby he shut himself out from the world to do some serious thinking in a cabin with books and papers. My own professor in my college used to say that solitude is the price of greatness. But how do we work deeply in this noisy and distracting world? And how much time does it require to reach our cognitive best? And isn't teamwork also important for personal and professional success? The answer is in the bimodal philosophy of deep work. This bimodal philosophy of deep work says that you should divide your time into stretches of deep work and leaving rest of the time for everything else. For example, if you're a programmer, schedule fixed time of your day to deep work and leave rest of the time for meetings, discussions and partying. And how much time should and can we dedicate for deep work? The answer can be found by developing a daily rhythm, a scheduled time, a scheduled place, and a scheduled way of working on your most important projects, and you will know how to dedicate time to deep work. Idea 2. Embrace boredom. Today, majority of the young people are simply scared of being bored, so much that they develop unhealthy coping mechanisms like drinking and smoking to deal with it. Every moment of potential boredom in our life is relieved by a quick glance on our phone, playing Candy Crush, or checking out our social media, and our brain may have lost its potential for deep work. So don't run away, just learn to have a little disconnectedness in this connected world. Idea 3. Drain the shallows. In 2007, a software company named 37 Signals launched an experiment where they shortened the work week from 5 days to 4 days. This invited criticism from certain sections as it may lead to extra stress for the employees. However, the founder argued that he did not want to squeeze the 5 days work into 4 days, rather wanted employees to use time efficiently so that they can get work done in 4 days itself. Guys, it is true that we only work few hours a day and rest are spent on coffee machines, canteen, gossiping and personal work. But once everyone is allotted less time, the shallows, the work that don't add value, are automatically drained out, and hence drain the shallows and get into deep work. These were the 3 key ideas from the book Deep Work. Do let me know what you think about them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.